how-to tutorial on coming into dancer's pose. Begin in a standing position, either in Tadasana or Samastiti, with your arms beside you, palms facing in. Now take your right hand to the sole of your foot with your thumb pressing onto the sole of your foot as you go forward and back with your right knee. Now begin to bend your left knee, creating buoyancy in your body. Be sure to not lock out in this pose. Think about creating more and more space, breathing into it as you press your foot into your hand, opening your right shoulder, keeping your heart open, and lifting your left arm, gazes over your third finger. Use your inhale to guide yourself back to Tadasana or Samastiti. Again, with your right hand to the sole of your right foot, draw your right knee forward and back. Now begin to bend your left knee. Start to now press your foot into your hand. Keep pressing your foot into your hand, opening again your right shoulder, letting your left hand draw down your leg, and then begin to guide your arm out in front of you. Breathe deeply. Inhale, guide yourself back again to Samastiti. Namaste.